Ah, this is good. I have one more.
Please subscribe to Journey with Benny for family travel vlogs.
So we're taking the golf cart going to the room. This is from the lobby. It's a lobby, big lobby right here.
Hello po, good afternoon. Welcome po to Anya.
Bota.
Yung room number natin?
504.
5.
The pool,
And that's the heated pool.
heated pool. Two areas.
We also have gym sir and
Gym.
spa.
Spa.
Located at Villa 10.
Okay, Villa 10. Right. How do we transfer villas? Call service?
Yes po. You can dial 0 po.
Dial 0.
Yes. Shortcut naman po going to restaurant and food this way po.
Shortcut
And we're Villa
restaurant.
po here. Villa 5.
Villa 5. Okay.
About the pool.
Call also, no? Ayun.
Yes. Okay po. 504 located at the ground floor.
Ground floor, 504. Surrounding here, we're at Villa 5. So this is the cluster of units, and we're at the 504. Second floor up there. We're here, 504. There we go. We're here.
So, welcome home po.
Welcome home. Okay, ceiling light. Power. Smells good, yes. Wow, so this is our suite. Junior suite. So there's a diffuser. Okay. Very nice. It's a spa resort.
Please dial 0 na lang po if you need anything. Check your room.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Diffuser right there. Refillable water. Television. Nespresso. Perfect. So we have coffee here. And scan to know the amenities here. They say it's a complimentary mini bar. So they got soft drinks and beer. What else do we have? Ah, okay, there's nuts, trail mix. Looks like there's tea, Pringles, and a heater right there. So this is the junior suite. And twin beds. Smells really good here. Got the spa feel at this resort hotel. Alarm, television, some brochures, menu. Yeah, I wanna try the spa here. Just look at this air conditioning. Relax chair, you can read here or chill. Let's look at the restroom. It's a wide restroom. It's very wide. There are 2 bathrobes. And here's the toilet. And the bidet. 2 toilet paper rolls here. There are 3 mirrors. 3 mirrors. 2 sinks. hair dryer, weighing scale. Got some toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, body lotion, towels. Got soap here. And this mirror, maybe for shaving. You need to zoom in your face. Here is the bath and shower area combined into one area. So there's a door. And there, so we have a handheld for the rain pipe. And let's see what's this. Bath gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Then here's the full bathtub with the garden view right there. So take a look here. The bathroom. Family's excited. Very nice place. It's the first time to stay in a spa resort. Usually we're in the beach or in Baguio, but here it's a spa resort. It's very relaxing. A slide, okay. Okay, so there's like a small porch or veranda area. You can just enjoy the nature. There's a garden here, and you can see the other suites up there. So it's a big venue, big resort. Yeah, forward to swim and relax at this place. Very nice. So go back inside. There's a sofa there. Yeah, just showing here the wide mirror at the entrance, and you can see here it's dark, but sharing here the hanger, iron with the board, and got a pillow there, safe, and compartments for, looks like, for laundry and slippers and shoes. So very organized here. So there's complimentary bread with olive oil and looks like balsamic vinegar. So let's mix it up for our appetizer or our dinner evening at Anya Anila restaurant. Okay, give it a try. How's it? It's good. Alright, so we have our fries here with homemade ketchup. Fries for sharing. Sizzling pork sisig. We got a lot of mayonnaise there. Doesn't look crunchy. Mix, 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 mix. Our pizza's here, the triple cheese pizza. Salmon, pasta, penne style. It's for sharing. You can taste the salmon in the sauce, the white sauce. Penne pasta. It's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so dinner's over. We'll do a night stroll going back to the villa. Ate so much carbs, so it's time to burn those carbs. So we can see here a chill place. Maybe you can hang out or take a quick picture. So this is the gym. So bike, cardio machine, weights, bench. Yes. Treadmill, TV, and yoga mats. Yeah. We got water here, fruits, granola bar, energy bar, proteins, fiber, and of course water. You want dessert? There's granola bar. Yeah, for the gym goers. It's time for breakfast buffet, and we're at Samira. There are two options. Right now it's full, so the resort's full. We're here at the second floor, Samira, for the breakfast buffet. Yeah, it's a very classic fine dining looking venue. The seats here. This is the restaurant owned by Chef Gonzalez. You could probably watch the chef here cook during lunch or dinner. Ube champorado, vegetable rice, japchae, scrambled eggs, fish finger, sweet and sour chicken, pork steak, corned beef, stir-fry vegetables, chicken sausage, bacon, waffle, and toppings. Okay, we have drinks here. Hot milk, hot chocolate, cucumber, strawberry, banana, mango, and selections of bread here. Ube, looks like pandesal, pan de coco, small croissant with butter, ube jam, strawberry jam, fruits, cereal, looks like oatmeal, and salad, veggies, cold cuts, salad, olive oil, balsamic vinegar. Yeah, my favorite so far is the fish, sweet and sour fish with vegetable fried rice. We'll try this too. Fish finger with sweet and sour sauce. Options for meal. Okay, we'll try this out. Prepare with my coffee, ube champorado, and waffle. This ube pandesal. Ooh, it's here. There are the rabbits. Ayun yung goat. Plenty, no? Eating. So cute. Okay, so we can feed the goat. Thank you, thank you. Dito kinakuha. Eggplant to. Fruits. They're excited, huh? They know it's feeding time.